All right, tonight's tonight you've all been waiting for. Don't forget to set those clocks back 1 hour. You're going to get that extra hour of sleep tonight, so you want to do that before you go to bed or right around 2 a.m. Your patio planner for this evening is going to be getting a lot more windier than it is right now. We're going to start out with a mostly clear sky and go to a mostly cloudy sky. It'll be in the overnight hours that we see a chance for a few light showers or even a few flurries as that colder air starts to filter in. For the rest of this Halloween, happy Halloween, everyone. We'll go from the 50s into the upper 40s and continue to fall as that cold front passes on through. So here's a look at the wind gusts. Wind gusting upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour at times. That's at 10 o'clock, and will stay windy as we go throughout the day on Sunday. Winds also gusting anywhere from about 40 to 45 miles per hour tomorrow as well. That's all due to an area of low pressure that's pushing east out of Ontario, and high pressure over the New England states is creating a pretty tight pressure gradient across our area as we're stuck between those two systems. So the winds now, they're out of the south. By tomorrow morning, they'll be westerly to northwesterly, and that's when we'll see those gusts upwards of about 40 to 45 miles per hour. Your Sunday looks to be a dry one. We'll get gradual clearing as we head towards the afternoon and see those temperatures only into the mid to upper 30s, but with the winds being so gusty, it's going to feel more like into the teens and in some cases the single digits. So a much colder Sunday headed your way, but there's good news in sight. We're going to be in store for a warming trend getting into Monday and especially Tuesday, and by the middle of the week, some 60s headed your way. So a high of only 38 tomorrow, 50 for Monday, still a bit breezy, 55 on Tuesday, and here comes some lower 60s for the middle and the end of the week.